प्यारे बच्चों, लीजिए अब आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है आपके सारे डीएसजे शिक्षकों की तरफ से एक छोटा सा कार्यक्रम।
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं अतुल। आप लोग फाइनली थर्ड ईयर पास कर गए। कुछ लोग इस सफ़र को आगे कंटिन्यू रखेंगे और कुछ लोग यहाँ से शायद अपने रास्ते बदल लेंगे, लेकिन आप सभी को इस सफ़र के इस पड़ाव की बहुत बहुत बधाई। इस तरीके से बधाई देनी पड़ेगी और इस तरीके से विदा लेनी पड़ेगी, ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं था और ऐसा कभी होता भी नहीं था। लेकिन ठीक है, परिस्थितियाँ बदली हैं, लेकिन आपके लिए जो हमारा स्नेह है, जो प्यार है, उसमें कमी नहीं आई है। ये एक डिस्टेंस ज़रूर है, लेकिन ये डिस्टेंस एक वर्ड ऑफ कॉशन के साथ है। और चूँकि मैंने स्किल एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाया है और मैं अपनी क्लास में ये स्किल सब्जेक्ट के साथ आप लोगों से हमेशा ये रिक्वेस्ट करता था कि डू नॉट ट्राई टू यूज़ योर स्किल्स और इंटेलिजेंस टू डिमीन एनीवन when it comes to self-respect and dignity. The same applies even now. I'll again request you people to follow the same principle in life. Be respectful to others and to yourself also. मैं बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि ज़िंदगी में उतार चढ़ाव आएंगे, मुसीबतें आएंगी, दिक्कतें आएंगी, लेकिन वही है कि क्या कभी किसी ने सुना है सूर्य छिपता तिमिर भय से? क्या कभी सरिता रुकी है बांध से बन पर्वतों से? ध्येय पथ के हर पथिक को कंटकों का ही सहारा, संकटों पर मात कर यह देश विजयी हो हमारा। और देश विजयी तभी होगा जब आप लोग विजयी होंगे, आप लोग कर्म करेंगे और उस तरफ बढ़ेंगे। एनीवे, लास्ट में फिर से आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर। थैंक यू।
हाय स्टूडेंट्स, डीएसजे का फर्स्ट बैच पास आउट होकर जा रहा है और मेरी शुभकामनाएं, मेरी बेस्ट विशेस आप लोगों के साथ हैं। आप लोगों के साथ फ़ोटोग्राफी सेशन में एक छोटा सा मैंने क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड किया। मैं क्वालिटी इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे आप लोगों के साथ उस क्लासेस के अंदर बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे लगा कि बच्चे बहुत ही डेडिकेटेड हैं और अपने काम को लेकर के, अपनी स्टडी को लेकर के बहुत ही एंथुजियास्टिक हैं। मैं कहना चाहूँगा आप लोगों को कि आप प्रोफेशनल फील्ड के अंदर जा रहे हैं, तो अपने इस डेडिकेशन को, अपने इस जोश को बनाए रखें। और ख़बरों की दुनिया में एक बात का हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि ख़बरों की ख्वाहिश होना तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन कभी भी अपनी ख्वाहिशों को खबर बनाकर पेश मत करना। मेरी शुभकामनाएं, मेरी बेस्ट विशेस आपके साथ है।
Chères étudiantes et chers étudiants, tout d'abord, je voudrais sincèrement vous féliciter d'avoir réussi à terminer vos 3 ans d'études de journalisme, la plus ardue de l'histoire récente. Comme nous avons passé plusieurs semestres ensemble et vous étiez toujours ma source d'énergie. Je pense que les étudiants sont de vraies sources d'énergie pour l'enseignant. J'aimerais aussi vous remercier pour votre participation, votre écoute, votre motivation et votre patience. Dear students, it's been a remarkable journey with you all. Your 3 years of academic life may have ended, but this is an opening avenue towards your goal, and moreover, we know that learning is a never-ending process. Wishing you all the best for the future. May you all be very, very successful and happy in life. En conclut, du fond de mon cœur, je vous tous souhaite plein de réussite dans votre magnifique projet de l'avenir. Bonne chance et bon courage. Prenez soin de vous. Bisous et au revoir.
When I look back in retrospective, I've got really good memories of this batch, the very first batch of DSJ, which is passing out this year, especially with photography. And they really surprised me with good photographs.
And
if I remember correctly, it was 2018. My first year at DSJ, came inside next year with photography, and I found that this is a very talented batch, and I found that you really came in with really beautiful photography. As a farewell note, I just want to add that all of us, all the teachers want you to be successful in life. But more than just being merely successful, I want you to hold on to the values and the convictions that you have. Truth and integrity, which the pressures of life will try to snatch away from you. So it's upon you. How do you carve out a niche for yourself? Best wishes and prayers for all of you in the journey called life.
Hello students, this is a short farewell message to you all from my side. Wishing you all the best of luck. You all must be awaiting your results. You will be passing out in a month or two. So this is a message from my side, wishing you all the best for all your future endeavors. You all were very good in my class, very attentive, very inquisitive. You all made my class very interesting, very meaningful, and the discussions that we had really helped you a lot, and it also helped me as a teacher. So best of luck to all of you. Keep rocking. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Dear amazing students, I really appreciate my time with you all. You are such curious and passionate bunch of people, I must say. The day I entered the classroom, I felt that vibe coming up where we used to have that at length discussions about our subject matters and even some political issues, or if there's any regional issue. And it was such a great journey with all of you. And I must remind you all that you have that power in yourself that you can change and improve at really larger levels. And then you absolutely should know that the only person you should be competing with is you yourself. You have it in you, and you have been great students. The moment you were done with your exams, I got a lot of messages from you people, and trust me, I was overwhelmed. Even right now when I talk about it, you have been my great students, and I would continue to be in touch with you. And it was a great teaching learning experience with you. It was not just teaching but a learning experience as well. Just continue to be yourself. You have the ability to do wonders, and I know this because I've seen you doing great things. Some of the event that we did together that I attended, be it anchoring, be it any speech, be it any debate, be it in the writing section, be it in your creative parts, you have done amazingly good. You have done amazingly good. Grateful for the teaching learning experiences with you, of course, and hoping to meet you again in a brighter and better future.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis? Hi students and everyone related to 2017 batch. I would like to thank everyone for the wonderful session it has been 2017 till this year. It has been a good experience overall, although there were some better moments, and but on the whole it was a good experience. Okay, we had many things, like we had a quiz competition, and also we organized many activities, role plays in Spanish. It was good. People were participating in the class, and they were active, and some of the students won prizes in Spanish competitions in other colleges also. It was a very good experience on the whole. Thanks.
Dear students, my wish for you is that you see the light in this world, in yourself and in others as well. I see the light in you. Compliment others and be proud of your own accomplishments. I am proud of you. Believe in yourself, for you are stronger than you know. I believe in you. Try hard, but know your limits. Ask if you need help, and trusting others will help you. I will help you. Fill your heart with laughter and smile often. I love to see you smile. You are unique, special and amazing person. There will be no another you, and I appreciate all of you. Dream, believe, wonder, inspire, love and nurture. And listen. And that is what I will do for you. I am not here to bid you goodbye, but to tell you that new opportunities are awaiting. Identify them and grab them. Bye bye, take care, all the best.
Hello all, it was a pleasure teaching you all for the last 1 year. During this year I found that you all are very good in academics, as well as you all hold a very firm, distinct and fact-based opinion about the things happening around you. Though I did not teach all of you in the last 1 year, but I had interacted with most of you on some occasions. I also know that some of you may not remain with us in the next session, as some of you may have opted for some other institution for higher studies. But here and there, you all will remain in my heart. So best wishes to all of you. Keep signing.
Hello students, how are you all? Congratulations, you all are graduate now. Well, I really enjoyed teaching you all, and I don't know about you, but I have learnt a lot from you all. Time थोड़ा था, लेकिन जितना था memorable था, and my heartiest wishes for your future. अभी बहुत सारे achievements आपको अपने नाम के साथ जोड़ने हैं. अभी तो पार्टी बस शुरू हुई है. Just one thing I want to say, that please let me know all your achievements, because it makes me feel great, it makes me feel proud when I see my students achieving heights. So let me know of it. Okay? All the best, James.
नमस्कार, दिस साइड गजेंद्र सिंह। सबसे पहले तो आपको फेयरवेल के अवसर पर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और एक शिक्षक और विद्यार्थी के रूप में हमारा जितना भी साथ रहा बच्चों, चाहे आई टॉट मीडिया एंड ज्योग्राफी इन द 5th सेमेस्टर, 6th सेमेस्टर में भी हम लोग साथ में थे, आई टॉट रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी। तो अपने इस अनुभव के आधार पर मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि ईच वन ऑफ यू हैव द पोटेंशियल। तो मेरा मैसेज आपके फेयरवेल के अवसर पर आपको यही है कि अपनी उन्हीं पोटेंशियल को पहचानिए, उन्हीं क्षमताओं को पहचानिए, लाइफ में पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रखिए और जिस क्षेत्र में भी आप आगे जाएं उसमें एक सफल नागरिक बनिए। यही शुभकामना, यही शुभाशीष।
My dear students, congratulations on your graduation. I wish I was wishing you in person and not this way. But as you know, there is no other option. I use this medium to send you my message. All of you are wonderful, creative, curious and passionate individuals who are aware of the various issues that concern our society. I also know that all of you will work towards making this society, making this country a better society, a better country for each one of us. I remember all the great discussions that we had, sometimes not so great. I remember all the disagreements that we had. At times we had some agreements. I also remember all the complaints you had, and I do remember all the excuses I had. But this is the beauty of democracy and university education system, that we can have different opinions, yet we can all coexist, right? There are two things which I want you to always remember. One is the importance of kindness, the other is the importance of education. We have to always support each other by helping each other, by pushing each other to do better in life, not just for ourselves but also for others. And also be thankful for the education that you've achieved and received, however faulty or flawed it is or it was. Remember, there are many who could not get this, not because they were not good enough or we were any better, but simply because there is not enough for everyone. I will miss you, and I wish you grow as prosperous individuals and succeed in everything you do in life. I send you all my love, luck, and good wishes for a great career and life ahead. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay in touch. Your teacher, Shipra.
प्रिय छात्र, मुझे आशा है कि आप सभी लोग अच्छे और स्वस्थ होंगे। आज के विदाई समारोह से कुछ बोलने से पहले मैं यही सोच रहा था कि विदाई वास्तव में होता है, शायद नहीं। विदाई वास्तव में एक मानसिक गांठ है, एक मन से दूसरे मन से जाने की एक कहानी है। आप लोग हमेशा हमारे छात्रों थे और हमेशा छात्र बने रहेंगे। फिर भी नियम के अनुसार हम सभी को जाना है, नया जीवन शुरू करना है। इसलिए मैं आप लोगों को नए जीवन के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और मुझे ये पूरा विश्वास है कि आप लोग जहां भी जाएंगे जीत कर लौटेंगे।
Hello, how are all of you? I hope you guys are safe in the face of the current pandemic. I wish we had a more personal farewell, but as luck would have it, considering that you guys are the most quirky bunch, you get this quirky farewell instead. I had the opportunity to teach some of you for a semester and some of you for an entire year, for which I will forever be grateful for. It is nice to have students who are so knowledgeable, who are so enthusiastic, and who have a flair for dramatic. It just keeps things interesting. But on a serious note, you guys have all the makings of being a successful human being and a happy human being. And I know you have it in you, and you have all of our blessings and our faith in you. So go out there and just know that you're going to achieve anything you put your mind on. So best of luck, take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.
प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, थोड़े ही दिनों में आपका रिजल्ट आने वाला है और आप सब ग्रेजुएट होने वाले हैं। आपकी इस नई उपलब्धि के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई और भविष्य के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। मैं आप लोगों से एक बात कहना चाहता हूं कि आप लोग भविष्य में जिस किसी भी क्षेत्र में जाएं, जिस किसी भी क्षेत्र में अपना भविष्य बनाएं, वहां सदैव नई बुलंदियों और नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएं। एक आशा मैं आप लोगों से यह करता हूं कि आप लोग जिस किसी भी क्षेत्र में कार्य करेंगे वहां अपनी रचनाशीलता, तर्कशीलता, ज्ञान, विवेक को सदैव बनाए रखेंगे। जिस प्रकार से आपने क्लासरूम में अपनी तर्कशीलता का परिचय दिया, उसे अपने जीवन में भी हमेशा बनाए रखें। आप सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Dear students, it is an emotional moment for us as we bid farewell to all you graduating students. You all have completed this journey remarkably well with great integrity. We all are very proud of this accomplishment of yours, which you have achieved through various curricular and extracurricular activities at the Delhi School of Journalism. Your memories will forever remain with us. You have left behind a legacy for your junior and future fellow students as good ambassadors of the Delhi School of Journalism. As much as it pains me to know that we won't be starting our days together, I'm also very happy to tell you that my association with you as your Spanish teacher has been a loving and a warm experience. No matter where we are, I'm always there for each one of you. On behalf of the Delhi School of Journalism, I bid you all farewell and wish you all the very best in your days ahead. Thank you very much.
As my first teaching assignment, it was a wonderful experience teaching the students of 2017 batch from both the medium. Graduation is a period of transition from school to higher education, and often for the first time we enjoy the freedom here out from tightly bounded school system. We start doing things on our own. We do many good things and commit a few mistakes, but subsequently we learn from it. I believe learning from experiences is what matters the most. Most of us are having the potential to achieve something great. I felt that ignition in each one of you. The domain may differ, but you can achieve what you can aspire for. I am sharing these three words which always give me the strength, and these three words are endurance, persistence, and willpower. Another idea which makes me go a mile further is, if I stop now, maybe I will lose the race where others did not stop and made a last burst of effort. Wishing all the best for your future endeavors.
मेरे प्यारे बदमाश बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। मेरा और आपका संयोग एक सा है। आप डीएसजे का पहला बैच है, और जब मैं डीएसजे आया था तो सबसे पहला बैच जो मुझे पढ़ाने को मिला था वो आप ही थे। आपके बारे में राय अलग थी, लेकिन जब मैं आपसे मिला तो मेरी राय अलग थी। हालांकि पहली मुलाकात हमारी आपकी बड़ी ज़बरदस्त रही, एक झगड़े से शुरू हुई, और लेकिन नेक्स्ट क्लास से हमारे और आपके बीच जो बॉन्डिंग हुई वो कमाल की थी। आप सब ने जो एनर्जी दिखाई, आप सब ने जो क्लास में जो अनुशासन दिखाया, वो सब कमाल का था। और मेरे लिए तो सच कहूँ, आप पहले थे डीएसजे में तो पहले की तरह ही याद रहेंगे। जैसे पहली चीज़ सारी याद रहती है, वैसे आप भी मुझे हमेशा याद रहेंगे। शुभकामनाओं के साथ भविष्य में आप बेहतर करें, और जहाँ भी रहें अपने आप को बेहतर बना कर रखें।
My dear students of my first batch, this was the date in 2017, 26 September, when you people were admitted. 120 of you. You were admitted, you started your journey in DSJ. And now today, after 3 years, you are graduating. Most of you will go into and branch out into different fields. Some of you will continue with us. But then, you have crossed one benchmark, that is your graduation. So today I want to wish you all the best in your life. Go ahead into the field, do good, great things, make us proud, so that we remember that our first batch students are doing so well. You are our brand ambassadors. You have to take the name of Delhi School of Journalism to outer world, in India and abroad. Wish you all the best and hope that you will keep in touch and come back to us to see your school growing from what it was in 2017. When you come back in 2022, 2024, you will see it would have grown much bigger. All the best, and I know, as your teachers have been saying, you all are very intelligent, you are very capable, so do good work and make us proud. Today I would also like to say one word for Prashant Yadav, who was with us from 2017 to 2018. He was a very ambitious, enthusiastic boy, very intelligent, and today when you people are graduating, I think you all also must be missing him, and I also miss him. May God be with him and he is happy wherever he is. So dear students, all the best. Enjoy your life. Keep shining. Bye.